Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free gems in Growtopia, bro. This is 2025, the secret tutorial for the Growtopia mod. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this on iOS and Android, no banning, and it provides unlimited gems, guys. So I'm here and I'm ready to show you guys how to do it. Alright, so basically there's this site, it's called hexmods.com. So once you go on this site, guys, you're gonna see a ton of modded apps, but just go to the search bar and type in Growtopia. And as you can see, it says Growtopia mod. So press on that, and as you can see, it says unlimited gems, VIP, and more. So we're just gonna press the download button, and now the Growtopia mod is beginning to download. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see. And before it downloads, you are going to have to do a verification, which is in process, to download some apps. So as you can see, it's loading, and it says, let's just wait for it to load, I guess. Let's see. Alright, this is spicy, guys. I've done it before. Complete 2 free apps to finish installing the Growtopia mod. So as you can see, we got 4 apps here to choose from. We only got to download 2 of them. They're 100% free and they're from the App Store. Now bear in mind, they're all going to have their own instructions. So TikTok says run for seconds. Family Island says you have to reach level 10. That one's a game. Same with the Dice Dreams. You have to reach Kingdom level 6. So just press tap to install. It will take you to the App Store and you just have to download the app. So I did the Family Island one where you have to reach level 10. So basically just download it, run it, and then you will get your Growtopia hack with unlimited gems, guys. How can you go wrong? Look at that. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you guys play Growtopia, because this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So yeah, peace out, bro.